Hey guys, this is John from waltonsinc.com, and this is our April 2019 sales and giveaway video. Now we've got a ton of great giveaways and sales for you guys in 2019, so make sure you subscribe to the Walton's YouTube channel to be the first to know when we release new giveaways and sales. Plus, remember to tap the bell next to the subscribe button to get notified about each new video. Now our giveaway for this month is the biggest one we have ever done. Now grilling season is upon us in most areas of the country, and to help one lucky viewer improve their grilling game, we're giving away a Broil King S590 Regal Pro. This grill is going to be an upgrade for any backyard grilling expert, enthusiast, or even a beginner. The Regal S590 Pro is made right here in the US. It has 55,000 main BTU burner, 857 square inches of cooking space, a side burner, heavy duty 9mm stainless steel cooking grills. It's even got a rotisserie cooker on it, and it's all stainless steel, so it's going to be sure to impress your guests before you even get to the food. Now this grill retails for $1,300, and it's worth every penny of that. So make sure you enter right away, and make sure you come back daily for all your chances to enter. We're also going to include a collection of our favorite shakers and a Walton's hat. So the total retail value on this is going to be over $1,350, which makes it by far the biggest giveaway we've done here at Walton's. Now, if you can't wait to see if you're this month's lucky winner, just head on over to waltonsinc.com, where you can go ahead and buy one of these grills or thousands of other great items. For sales this month, we're gonna make sure that none of our customers have a reason not to have an injector anymore. We have our Walton's automatic syringe injector on sale for $19.99. That's $15 off its normal price, so grab one while you can. We also have $6 off the marinade injector. The 2-ounce plastic marinade injector is just going to be $6.99, and the 2-ounce stainless steel is going to have $6 off. Now, so you can use your injector for something fun, I've got 20% off of the 5-pound bags of Sweeter Than Sweet Cure. Makes it just $15.99. I've also got 22% off of the soluble turkey pump seasoning, and my favorite injectable seasoning is the soluble Paul's Black Bowl. I've got it on sale for just $4.99 a bag. Now I also have $5 off of this digital pen thermometer. This is a great way to make sure that everything you have on your grill is at the perfect temp. I've also got the Weston 330-pound digital scale. I'm taking $10 off of that this month. This is going to let you make sure that you're pumping and injecting your meat to the correct percentage. Plus, it's a great way just to measure large batches of meat. It's a very accurate scale and can go all the way up to 330 pounds. So that's it for our sales and giveaway this month. Like we said, this is our biggest giveaway ever, so make sure that you go ahead and get all the chances you possibly can to enter. You're not going to want to miss out on this one. As always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and visit waltonsinc.com and meatgistics.com to find everything but the meat. Thanks for watching. I'm John with waltonsinc.com, and I'll see you guys next time. Subscribe to Walton's YouTube channel to watch more amazing videos, or shop at waltonsinc.com to find everything but the meat. Check out our latest sales and giveaway video here, or watch another hand-picked video by clicking here.